Hi, I'm Dala, and today we're checking out the eCarExpo in Stockholm. Let's go! So I guess this video is kind of sponsored by Kempower, not really, but I'm here on work and I figured why the heck not make a short video of what's going on here at the eCarExpo in Stockholm. So yeah, enjoy some short footage. Sorry it's gonna be a bit crowded in here, but hopefully you get to see some cool cars. Yeah, let's go. I of course had to check out the Nissan stand. So here they have the electric Townstar, which I guess is kind of the replacement for the ENV200 platform, which is getting quite old. So yeah, I don't know much about this, but yeah, it seems like a van if we check it out here inside. I would say this looks very much like the Leaf, like it has the Nissan Leaf, this new steering wheel, and yeah, the infotainment center looks quite similar. So yeah, cool little van. And while we're in this Nissan stand, here is a Formula E car, branded with Nismo, lots of cool stuff. I don't know how it would feel to drive one of these, but yeah, this one looks really cool. Very nice. Of course, the Nissan Ariya is also here. So now I'm inside the Nissan Ariya, and I've actually test driven one of these a month back, so I'm not really super interested in it. But I mean, the interior is nice, there's lots of leg room, the fabric is okay, nice, it feels luxurious. But to be honest, this car is very heavy. I mean, very heavy. And I'd rather be driving my own tuned Leaf compared to this one. So yeah, let's leave it at that. Here in the Volkswagen stand, we have the ID bus. This is the cargo model. This one is quite interesting. I really like this one. They also have the 7-person variant of it, but yeah, I like the color on this one also. This two-tone is really nice. Yeah. Here we have a Volkswagen ID5 GTX variant. I must say I like this color. I'm not entirely convinced by the ID3 and ID4 yet. Software, I think they still have a lot to improve on. But yeah, it's a nice car. We also have some quite cool concept car here. And this is the ID Life. This is gonna be like the small, affordable, I guess, model compared to the ID3 and the ID4. And yeah, this is just a prototype, but damn, those head backlights look good. Yeah, I like this one. Can't sit inside it though, but yeah, I love the headlights too. Very cool. Okay, so here's the Hyundai stand, and here they have the Ioniq 6, which is a interesting looking car. I'm not really sure about the rear of this car, but yeah. But what's behind it? This is interesting. This is the Hyundai N-Vision concept. There's a massive spoiler on the back, and this looks like something straight out of Back to the Future. So now this is a beautiful car. I would love to drive this. I mean, wow, look at these angles. Wow. Love that spoiler. this is interesting. This is a Polestar Precept concept car. 22-inch rims. I mean, wow. This is super cool. Very busy area, but they also have the Polestar 3 here, which is also a super good looking car. I mean, most of this commentary is just gonna be me saying that, yeah, this looks good, but yeah, I like it. Here are also the specifications for this vehicle. The performance package is like 380 kilowatts. So yeah, very cool. Okay, so this is by far the coolest stand here, Mulle Meck. And I got the latest book signed. This is a children's book, Mulle Meck Builds an Electric Car. And I used to play these Mulle Meck games, these car building games, a lot when I was a child. Like, I guess that's what really got me into modifying cars for different purposes. This was super cool, so it was awesome to see them live here and get my book signed. So yeah, perfect gift for a child. So yeah, very cool. Here we have the new Xpeng P7. I think it's at around 570 horsepower. So yeah, quite a cool, interesting looking vehicle. And now this is really cool. Here's an electric snowmobile. Like, wow. This is super cool. I would love to try one of these. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!